think that's it now?
Yeah. Someone will load backstay.
Hey, Georgia.
I don't understand what's going on.
We're flying! There is wind! Woohoo! We've got wind. More than one number on the display. Yeah, that's incredible. Maybe it didn't happen in the last 4 or 5 days, no? Oh, we had a little bit by Sicilia. That was 2.5 days ago, 3 days ago. C'est la fête! C'est la fête! For Canada Ocean Racing, and we have to celebrate the winners, guys! Bravo, vieux terme! Super course!
Second and third.
For what?
The second and third.
It's the
I mean,
well, you know that's what they were doing when I.
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun. Sebastian's bored though.
No, I'm cooling down before getting inside in the cooker. I'm not bored, no. You cannot be bored of that.
First time we've seen those digits in a while.
I know.
Fast and right. Look, you can see the speed with the water came through the wind in between the window and the sun. It's beautiful. And we are almost sometimes doing 15 knots, 15, 16. And almost on the right direction. Crazy.
How is the sun going this morning, Chris?
Not that bad. It was not the most beautiful we had, but it was the fastest, for sure.
All right, Lincoln.
Yeah.
How's your experience been as a first timer on the ocean race?
It's been super cool. It's my first time on the ocean race. It's a great group on board. Chris, Seb, Pip, and yourself have been really welcoming on board. It's been challenging. Been a really challenging leg to jump into first off. So long way, but yeah, enjoyed it so far.
What do you think your successes have been?
Successes. Obviously, I haven't sailed this boat before at all, so I've sailed another Imoca a little bit. So there's obviously a lot to learn on board. The crew's been racing the whole race. They've been racing for a month straight. So to kind of jump into an already established crew last minute is always a bit of a challenge and learn the processes on board. But what's it today? Day 6 or day 7 now, and it's kind of clicked in and feeling quite comfortable on board the boat and understanding how it sails, which would be nice.
Any surprises you encountered as a first timer?
Surprises is the first time. I don't know if it's ocean race specific, but it's a bloody it's a tricky race course coming around this way, isn't it? There's a lot of pitfalls, a lot of holes, and it's nice we're back in breeze now. But it's been a really cool and incredible race course that I've never sailed around here before, so enjoying that.
And is there anything that you didn't pack that you wish you did?
Didn't pack that I wish I did. Coffee. My own personal supply of coffee would have been the first on the packing list next time.
And is there anything that you did pack you wish you didn't?
Where do I start? Thermals, beanie. No, I don't have a beanie. Thermals, waterproof socks. Anything warm, I think. I think I've just worn this the whole time. It's been great.
Yeah, I was gonna say you stink a little bit.
That's probably fair.